If you have been watching my videos before now, you will know that I talk about three types of business. First business I talked about is service-based business. Then the second one is product-based business. The third one is specialized-based business that you can start in 2024. After shooting these videos, people have been asking me, Henry, now I've selected one from the one you have listed, but how do I start this business and to make profit from it? This video is how to start your business step by step. So follow me as we go step by step on how you can start your business in 2024. This is what you need to do. If you are starting any business, be it a service-based business or a product-based business or even a specialized-based business, what do you need to understand is this. First thing you need to do is to go through the learn phase. What do we have in the learn phase? Here is where you do market research. You need to go and understand what is available in the market. What are people looking for? You need to understand your target audience and who are your competitors in this business that you want to go into. For instance, if you choose to start a service-based business, maybe you are a coach, right? You choose to serve people with your talent, with your ideas. You choose to serve people with your expertise as a coach. How many coaches are there in your environment? How many coaches are there in the niche? What are they into? You need to go and understand the target audience, understand the industry trend. Is the coaching business going up or going down? What is the problem that is pertinent in this particular industry? How you get to know that is by you going on a market research. That is why market research is very, very important. In fact, don't even try to start any business if you're not going to do market research about the particular business. Once you are doing the market research, that's where you now begin to look at business ideas, the type of business, service, the kind of offer you are going to introduce to the marketplace. Now, what offer are you going to introduce to the marketplace? Based on what people are asking for, based on what the target audience are seeking for, based on also what your competitors are not giving the audience. You are not going to repeat what your competitors are already doing. You are going to look out for what people are asking for, but your competitors are not yet serving them. And that is where you are going to shine. Then don't forget to look at business structures and legal requirements. Before you start this business, what is the legal requirement? Learn about it. Know what it takes to start and the requirement so that you don't go and invest your money in a business that you will never start, or in a business that when you start, you will not be able to continue the business. Once you are done with this particular phase, you will move to step number 2. Now, when it comes to step number 2, this is the create phase. Now you have the idea, you know the avatar, you know the audience, you know what the market is looking for, you know what is the pain point in the market from your initial research. Here is where you begin to create your business plan. You need to create a business plan, and in your business plan, you need to have a value proposition. What is that unique aspect of your service that you are offering, that you are letting people know that this is how I shine? This is what I bring to the table that is different from what's already in the marketplace. The moment you are able to get this done, then you move to creating your customer avatar. Now, who are the people you are going to be serving in this particular business that you choose to start? Who are you going to be serving? Are you going to be serving people who already have money, people who are working class individuals, people who are divorced, people who are seeking for how they can put their marriage together, people who are looking for a way to develop their business, to increase their revenue? Who is your avatar? The moment you understand who you are going to be serving, then the next thing you are going to do is to create your MVP, create your minimum viable product. What is the sample of the offer that you are going to be offering that people can see and say, wow, yes, this is what I need? So you can go and create it, depending on what your business is. In some business, you cannot actually create a minimum viable product because it will require you spending a lot of money. Meanwhile, in some other business, like you starting a digital product business, you can create a product and give it to people to test, for them to check it and see if it is what they will love. So, and in this same create phase, what you are actually creating, you are creating the product itself. You are designing your product. If it's a physical product, you are designing how it's going to look like, how it's going to feel. You are going to talk about the 3 core aspects of a product, which is, first thing is going to be the core product of that particular product, which is the major benefit of your product. Then the second thing you're going to be looking for is the features of your product. Then the final thing is the augmented aspect of your product. At this phase, you are already creating business plan, creating all that you need in order for you to make your product and services available to the marketplace. Then finally, you create an offer, right? An offer is the opportunity you give to people who love you to serve them, for them to be served. Yes, an offer is an opportunity you give to customers for them to get to have a feel and taste of your product, and it's going to serve them well. That is what an offer is. So what is that thing that you tell them you are going to deliver? What are your deliverables? Everything, you're going to put them inside the offer, then you have an offer ready. The moment you have your offer ready, I'm telling you, don't wait for anything. Usually people will tell you, refine, redo. Don't do any of that. The moment you have gone through the product creation, you have a minimum viable product, go and launch your product. Don't wait for people to tell you whether your product is a perfect product or not before you launch. Go and launch. You will never know if your product is good. You will never know if the product is even what the market needs. You will never know if your research is wrong until you actually test the waters. So here is where you introduce people to your product. It can be a small group of people, or it can even be like the marketplace itself. You go side by side with your competitor and you offer your own product, put it in the marketplace. So, but before you do this, during the launch phase, you have to consider marketing strategies. What is your marketing strategy? Are you going to be introducing your product through challenges, like giving people 7 days challenge, or you are going to start a social media campaign where you are going to be talking about your product for the next 30 days, or you are going to start an email marketing campaign? How are you going to go about marketing your product to the marketplace? How are you going to go about your product promotion? Which platform are you going to use for promotion? Where are you going to put it? Is it Facebook? Is it Twitter? Is it Instagram? Is it on TikTok? You have to choose your platform. Now, the moment you have your platform where you're going to be advertising your products, and which of the platform you're going to be using, is it going to be organic or paid adverts? At this point, you are doing all the things that you need to do to launch your product. Finally, you need to now come up with a sales channel. You need to establish a sales channel. By sales channel, I simply mean, how are people going to pay you the money that you're asking them to pay for your products? How are they going to pay? Are you going to put in a PayPal? Are you going to put in a Pioneer? Are you going to set up a payment gateway that they can say, okay, I'm ready for your product. I love it. This is exactly what I'm looking for. But how do I pay? You need to have a platform, a channel where you can be able to receive and be able to also deliver the product and services to them after you launch. This phase of the launch is very important. Like, don't ever double think your launch. Just go and launch. Launching comes first before trying to perfect your product. Whenever you are creating your product in this 2024, or whenever you're starting your business in 2024, after your launch, you go to the adapt stage. Now, this is where you want to spend time. Here is where you refine and you modify. Modify your business services in order for it to be tailored to the customer who need it the most. Because once you launch, you're going to be getting certain form of feedbacks. Some of the feedbacks will look like kickbacks, because some people will say, I don't like this product. It's not solving my problem. It's very bad. Some people will say, I love it. This is exactly what I've been looking for all my life. You never get it right at the first time, but when you are in this stage, I call it the adapt. This is where you begin to refine and to modify your products. How do you get this done? You get it done through customer feedback. From your customer, from people that are buying, from friends and family that you are asking to check. They will be telling you, oh, this is good. It really solved my problem. It was good. It was very, very helpful. That's how you begin to refine to make it better. From the negative comment as well, you get it, you make it better. You improve the business at this point. If you are a cleaner, perhaps you choose to go into service-based business and you are helping and you are a professional cleaner, or you have an agency that help people to clean their offices, business and all that, you ask them. They will give you feedback. You will improve. Maybe improve on your materials, improve on how you clean, improve on your detergents, improve on what tools you use, improve on the people you have that are helping you to clean, improve on your customer relations. There is always somewhere that you need to improve. Are you a photographer? What are people saying about your service? You can improve it, right? The quality of the service, how you respond to them, how you direct them. All these things are where you can improve. Like I said, this is where you spend time. Once you spend time fixing and modifying your services in your business, you will now launch again. When you launch the second time, by this time you are launching with more understanding, right? With a product that is almost perfect. The moment you notice that your product is stable and you are solving problem for a huge amount of people, you expand, you begin to diversify, you begin to optimize your marketing strategies and your sales campaign. If maybe, for instance, you can now add some offers, some other services that you were not delivering before, here is where you add it. Some marketing platform that you are not on before, maybe you choose to start with Twitter. Now you will now expand to Instagram, expand to LinkedIn, expand to other platforms. You were doing organic before. Now you want to now expand to paid ads, because you have been able to modify and redefine your products in a way that it's serving people at the highest quality, at the highest shape and form. So whenever you are in this particular stage, you need to now be optimizing certain things, because a lot of business fail at this point. You will have somebody who start business very well, but he's not able to grow the business beyond this level. It's because you don't know what to do at this stage. You don't have a complete marketing funnel, right? A marketing funnel is a tool that helps you to guide your customer from the first day they saw your product and your business till when you are serving them. The entire experience will help them, and they will keep enjoying your product, and you will keep serving more people. So guys, that is how you start a business in 2024. Don't go about starting business the way Google will tell you, go and do this, go and do this. Follow these steps and you'll find yourself making huge amount of profit, serving people and helping them to improve the quality of their life. All right guys, watch the next video about how you can create a fully marketing campaign for your business. The moment you start your business, you will need a marketing campaign. So watch this video about how you can create an effective marketing campaign. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. All right, go and make money.